Beskyde, Beskyde, kdo po tobě jde, černooký bača, ovečky.
Hi, Arvin. So, you are from Trinity College, and the Trinity College in Dublin is the project coordinator.
That's correct.
Can you tell us something about the idea of this CaRE project?
Yes, indeed. In Trinity, we decided on this project because a lot of the time in Ireland, we've spoken about key skills and generating key skills within our students and trying to encourage our students in schools to work together collaboratively and to reflect on that process. And one of the things that I had identified as a researcher in Trinity is that a lot of the time teachers don't collaborate and reflect on their practices. So I think in order to be able to effectively teach students how to engage with these practices, it's very important for teachers themselves to be encouraged and supported in using them themselves. And really that is the idea of the collaborative and reflective environments in schools, which is the CaRE project.
Hi, Kieran. So you are also from Trinity College. Can you explain us the idea of the LTT workshops?
So in this CaRE project, the idea behind the LTT workshops is to provide an opportunity for teachers to come together, to collaborate and to reflect on how they see the communities of practice changing in their schools.
Hi, Jonathan. So you're the host of the workshop in the Czech Republic. Can you describe the work with the students here in your school?
So today we've been talking about 21st century skills, collaboration, creativity, critical thinking, and communication. So this work with students is connecting our Erasmus team of teachers and our first year students so that they're working together on teams to talk about which newspaper articles are more reliable and how to rate the news, basically. So we're trying these skills in practice.
Hi, Ivona.
Hi.
So you already attended the workshops in Schwechat and in Dublin. Can you tell us something about your highlights there?
There were so many highlights that it's very, very hard to decide what to start with. And what we loved most, I believe, that was this perfect balance between hard work and fun. And obviously all the trips are highlights of any visit. And the socializing part, that is, we did enjoy the visit to Hoth in Dublin, but also the trip in Vienna was gorgeous, with the trip just overlooking the whole city and the river and the beautiful weather that we enjoyed. But this is the more kind of recreative and relaxed part of the visit. But exactly, the serious work we did was really inspiring. So we came back with lots of ideas and we did appreciate that.
Až